Becoming independent and learning how to plan and think about food is an important life skill.
Hi, my name is Duane and you're here with Senior Class C. We're here at shopping at Woolies for our ingredients.
As part of the seniors workup.
Good morning.
We are Senior Class C and
We are here at Woolies picking out ingredients for our kangaroo stew.
Good job, gentlemen. Thank you.
Stage 2 food students take on the food process, planning their meals, shopping for ingredients, cooking.
As you could see, my basket is halfway full. But I didn't even know they sell kangaroo meat.
Hello, I'm just making a damper here. Got my ingredients, pretty simple.
It's going to be a very garlicky steak. Two guys. Everyone needs so much garlic.
veggies and food that we just bought today and popping it in the bag and everything. And onion. Who wants onion?
This would be nice for Norman because he keeps saying, I want to come here. It would be nice.
Rahima, so what do you got here for us today?
Got you some kangaroo stew.
Like and subscribe. Don't forget your seatbelts.
Hi, my name is Duane and I just finished my senior stage 2 cooking and I made myself scrambled egg with bacon and spring onion. Easy meal to cook. You might be easy meal to cook.
Your second breakfast today?
Nah, I didn't have any breakfast.
Oh, didn't you?
Yeah.
What, you didn't get a bedtime or?
Nah, because of the fire alarm.
I know, we had one at like 20 past 4 a.m. Another one at 6 a.m.
Yep. And I was too tired to go to breakfast and I missed out. So
Well, now having breakfast now.
now having breakfast.
My station is a bit messed, sorry. We are making kangaroo stew, but I have changed the ingredients. So I'm making with rice, so it's gonna be a bit of protein. Yes, for me, you know. Mr. Nugget, can I have the oil, please? Thank you. I'm now cooking the steak and potatoes.
Over 30 minutes to cook. I'm now cooking the steak with some onion.
Cleaning up.
Always part of cooking and cleaning up after yourself.
And reflecting on the experience.
Also, write a reflection about our recipe.
Welcome to Urara TV!
We played with robots.